What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Kenny, aka Texas 3IS. And today we have parts from Japan.
Oh really? For the first time ever, right?
Wow. My wheels are from Japan, my whole car's from Japan. But as you can see here, we've got a BLITZ package. And we'll unbox this to show you what's inside real quick. Boom! As you can see, it is a strut bar from BLITZ. BLITZ. This is for the RC, but it fits the IS, and it's a black bar with red mounts. So yeah, we'll get that cut open. Check that out. That's so cool. It's so skinny and lightweight. Feels pretty durable. A little flexible there. Got a cool sticker. Check that out. Nice. Guys, look what I got. That's part of the package. Whoa, bro. Sticker. Okay, let's continue this unboxing. Here they are. These are the mounts that go on top of the top hat. Strut bar. They are pretty cool red. Although my car is not like a red theme, I'm going with like a yellow theme now. This is pretty nice color. I don't know if y'all can see this. Yes. Look at that. Comes with another plastic film on top. Gotta lock the strut mounts with the Allen keys here on one end, and then a nut on the other side, on both sides. Okay, so all these top hat bolts are 14 millimeters, and then even the one on the strut bar here is 14 millimeters, and then one of the Allen keys that fit in here, I don't know what size that is, but I got one that fits, so yeah.
Look, 3M tape. I'm gonna notice I'm gonna zoom in.
Just like that. Put on the nuts, hand thread them first. And you'll for sure need an extension now because these are in the way. The arms.
Disappointing. They don't make it and put it on and make it put it on.
Where the flat part goes towards the windshield. Let's hand thread them first. Okay, now we're gonna attach the bar on top. So we're gonna have to unthread the nuts. Each side also has a washer, so don't miss track of that. One side has the flat washer, the nut side has the locking washer. We'll just hand tighten them first. One thing I'm seeing right now is the engine cover is actually hitting. As you can see there, it's touching. Might have to hold it up and bolt it down, so because it's sitting down right now. So I'm gonna just hold it up so there's clearance there, and then we'll do the same thing to the other side while we tighten it down. Okay. So raising it and tightening down actually left a lot of clearance there. There we go, the install is done. And there's actually way more clearance than before. The technique was just to hold this up while tightening this down and that down. Hold it up also. And there's actually clearance there, it's not rubbing. The logo's not hitting anymore. I think it looks pretty clean, except my engine bay is a little bit dirty, but yep, got this from Blackhawk Japan. I know my engine bay does not match anything. Most of the stuff is blue. I have my TTI turbo muffler delete blue. I painted the logo blue because my calipers are teal or whatever, teal blue. My engine intake is blue with the hydro shield. I am actually thinking about changing my accent color back to yellow, so my calipers will be yellow again, and then that logo will be yellow, and then I think I'm gonna paint these arms, these strut arms, back to yellow, or not back to yellow, but yellow. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, pretty simple install. Pretty simple install. The actual purpose of a strut bar in the front is to help structural rigidity whenever you're cornering, so that the body doesn't flex as much and it stays solid like how it's supposed to be. So yeah, it just helps improve handling when you're cornering, stuff like that, wherever the body creates flex whenever you're driving. So yep, and the other 90% of it is just looks. So yeah. I think it looks pretty cool. It's pretty sturdy so far, and the clearance works pretty well. Like I said, this was made for a Lexus RC, but it fits the IS also. I believe it fits the GS. Don't mark my words on the GS, but I'm pretty sure it does fit. You might have to do a little bit of research on that. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I know that was a small install, but yeah, link in the description below for the product. It's just a BLITZ strut bar for a Lexus RC, and I got it from Blackhawk Japan. Got it as a gift. I think it's on sale for like $100, and then another like $60 for shipping because it's coming from Japan. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.